The chief weapons handler who was on the set of the movie Rust is being tried today in connection with the fatal shooting of the film's cinematographer, Helena Hutchins. Hannah Gutierrez has pleaded not guilty to involuntary manslaughter and tampering with evidence. Prosecutors say it was her fault that live ammunition ended up in a prop gun that actor Alec Baldwin was holding when it went off, killing Helena Hutchins in October of 2021. Joining me now is Tre Lovell, an entertainment and corporate attorney based in Los Angeles. Tre, good morning, and thanks so much for being with us. We should be very clear, this is not Alec Baldwin's case, though he is facing the same manslaughter charge. Let's talk about the charge in this case. Why is it manslaughter?
Well, it's involuntary manslaughter, which is really the unintentional killing of somebody. Here in the States, we have different degrees of crime when somebody dies, intentional, unintentional. And this is clearly an unintentional act that just resulted in the careless or reckless death of Miss Hutchins. So that's kind of the nature of what the charges are against.
What will be Reed's defense?
Well, they're going to have a number of defenses. First, they're going to claim that the set itself was not safe, that the production cut corners. They didn't allow her to have enough time to train Baldwin. She didn't bring the ammunition on set. She wanted to take set safety more serious, and they didn't. And as a result, they interfered with her ability to do her job. That's basically going to be the argument that she's going to make. And she's probably going to try to throw some blame onto Baldwin as being the one who actually shot the gun.
So no doubt Baldwin's team will be watching her case. How could it shape his?
A number of things. First of all, it's going to give his team a great preview of the case against him. The witnesses, the experts, the documents that are going to be relied upon in the case against Gutierrez are also going to be used in the case against Baldwin. So his team's going to get a front row seat to a very similar case that's going to be presented against him. And then kind of depends on what happens. If she's found innocent or not guilty, then the case against him becomes dramatically more difficult.
Interesting.
If she is found guilty, then it doesn't really mean he will be found guilty because there's really different theories of conduct against each, but it moves them a little bit closer to him.
He's saying, though, he didn't fire the gun.
That's correct. But I really don't think that matters. I mean, the criminal conduct was not him shooting the gun. The criminal conduct was handing him a gun that was loaded and telling him that it was safe to fire and wasn't loaded. As an actor on set, he's certainly allowed to rely on the experts, and when they declare a prop to be safe, he should be allowed to use that. So I think as long as they shift, Baldwin's team shifts the focus of the jury to that, he'll have a lot better chance of defeating it.
All right. If she is convicted, if she is found guilty, what's the punishment?
Well, it's 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter, so up to 18 months, because you only get convicted of 1. And then she's also been charged with tampering with evidence. Supposedly during the investigation, they thought she may have been on drugs, and she allegedly gave a vial of cocaine to a friend to hold. So that would be an additional probably 18 months. So it could be up to 3 years.
Tre Lovell is an entertainment and corporate attorney joining us this morning from Los Angeles. Thanks so much.